Hello, my name is Devdas, and it's my great joy and privilege to teach for Akasha Yoga Academy. My own journey with yoga, I was very blessed to start at a young age. 15 years old, I started my asana practice, and by about the age of 18, I had discovered pranayama and meditation, which became kind of the focus of my own journey through the experience of yoga. I had a unique privilege also to live 12 years in India. So I understand a lot of the esoteric depth of the tradition of yoga, more from the perspective of pranayama and from meditation. Although also I must say, I have a deep, deep, deep love and appreciation and even some knowledge of the practice of asana. I also come a little bit from two different traditions of yoga. One is the Bhakti tradition, this tradition of love and embracing of life, and also the Jnana Yoga tradition, the tradition of wisdom, looking within and discovering the depth of our own experience as human beings. It is my joy. It's been a lifetime of study. And what I can say about that lifetime is that everything that I receive, I just freely give. Because I feel that the depth of yoga is never ending. I've been studying my entire life, and if you say, okay, do you know everything there is to know about yoga? It's more like, no, I know this much. But what I have understood in my heart, I just freely want to share with everybody. Because I see much of what's being offered in the modern yoga context does not have the depth of the magical, beautiful, ancient tradition of yoga as was originally expressed. So it's our joy to bring you the depth, the connection to the breath, the connection to the heart, the connection to your own body, to help you dive deep into the real experience of yoga. Thank you so much. I really look forward to meeting you and to practicing together. Namaste.